Just wanted to share with you a quick recipe, or really just a quick short on some soup beans I made today. And first you're gonna ask, all right, Scott, how can you make soup beans Italian? Well, here's my Italian tip for soup beans. Make 7 times as many as you really need, and then it's kind of the Italian style that way. But anyway, the way I make my soup beans, I started with 2 pounds of navy beans, let them soak in water overnight. I put them in the refrigerator, even though my wife said I shouldn't. But then in the morning, I finally chopped a whole yellow onion or a sweet onion, put that right in the crock pot with the rinse your beans, put them in. I put in a box of chicken stock, filled it the rest of the way up with water, used a little bit of diced ham. I also had a ham hock, so I threw that in there. And then salt and pepper, I don't know, 2 cloves of garlic very finely chopped, salt and pepper. Then I ended up, it needed something, it was missing something. So I put in a little bit more garlic powder, it needed a little more garlicky flavor, and a tiny little bit of the secret ground mustard. And that really brought the soup together. I'm salivating, sorry. You just gotta let it cook, be patient, give it 3-4 hours in your crock pot on high, and then they're ready to eat. The secret, though, to great soup beans is cornbread. Make some cornbread with it as well. But I just wanted to share a little bit about how I make my soup beans.